How to make a shareable video link in Google Drive. So if you want to share your video link on the Google Drive, let me show you step by step how to do it. First off, after you open up now your browser, so go and type in drive.google.web. So after you search like this, so now open the first link, Google Drive. After you open the first link, from there it will ask you to select the Gmail account you want to sign in. So after you select the Gmail account, it will take you to this option. Now I choose this Gmail account. So the first thing to do after you come to this option, you click on this new button and go to upload. So now you should go and upload the video you want to share. So I'll select this one. So for me, I want to upload this video. So I'll select this video. After I select the video, click on this open button. So now here is the video. Now the video is uploading. So now we should wait for the video to finish uploading. So after the video finish uploading like this, so now as you can see, now here is the video in my Google Drive. If you can't see the video, just refresh your page like this. After you refresh your page, from there the video will be visible for you. So now here is the video. So the first thing you should do now, you should just click on the video or right click on the video. After you right click on the video, go to share button. After you go to share, then you copy the link. After you copy the link, now you should share this link to someone. So from there, the person can be able to access this video by following the link that you give the person. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.